How to find someone you unfriended on Snapchat. So go open your Snapchat application, click your Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner, proceed to the three dots on the top right of your screen, and then scroll down at the very bottom of the privacy controls. In here, you can tap on My Data, and then after loading, you will be asked for your username or your email address. So just type in your data, and then you will be asked to verify. After verifying, you will then be asked for your password. So type in your password, and then you will be brought to this page. On the bottom of this page, you will be asked to type in your email address just for confirmation. Below the email address is also a calendar where you can choose the export date of your data. After this, click on Submit Request right here, and Snapchat should say that they have received your request and they will be preparing a copy of your data. You will be receiving this data via email, so just wait for it once the zip file for your data is ready to download. I don't have the file yet, but in there you will see a file named Deleted Friends, and I I don't have the file yet, but in there you will see a file named Deleted Friends, and that should show everyone you unfriended on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.